Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the Azure Databricks series on JBS Wiki. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to creating dashboards in Azure Databricks. Whether you are new to Databricks or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, this tutorial will give you everything you need to build insightful, real-time dashboards to make data-driven decisions. We will start by connecting to data, creating visualizations, and finally building a fully interactive dashboard, all within Databricks. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. But before we get started, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to JBS Wiki for more hands-on Azure Databricks tutorials. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's head to our notebook here. Yeah. So what I'm basically running is like I'm selecting columns date, open and high from a delta table called HDFC Bank. And the data that you are seeing is the open and high price for the HDFC Bank share. Yeah. So if you look at the data, what you're able to see is like on 7th November 2024. HDFC Bank shares open price is 1744.3 INR and its high price for that particular day is 1760.9 INR. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to click on this plus here and then click on visualization. Yeah. And I will leave the visualization type as line, and X column would be date, and Y columns would be open and high. Yeah, if you notice here, as soon as I clicked on the visualization, I got everything pre-built. That's because the data is meaningful here. So Databricks was able to understand that, and it came up with the required columns on the X column and Y columns. But again, if you want to change something, you can change that. And if the table that you are using doesn't have meaningful data, then you will see all these things blank. And as per your requirement, you can select the required things. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is like now, if you see here, we have the date, and then we have these lines for open and high price here. Yeah. So I'm going to save this, and then what I'll do is like I will rename it to HDFC underscore share price. Yeah, I've renamed it. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to create the dashboard using the first method where I will click on file and then click on new notebook dashboard. And as soon as I do that, I'm able to see the table data. I'll be able to scroll down and look at the data. So I can see 31 session, close to 31 day session share price of HDFC Bank. And for that particular data, I have the visualization here. Yeah. So let's name this dashboard as HDFC Bank price dashboard 1. Yeah. And then now when you click on this present dashboard, you will see a good view that you have this dashboard name, and then you have the required data, and then a graphical visualization of this data. Yeah, let's click on edit. Exit, and you have all the required informations. You can change that as per your requirement, like the layout option. I will go with stack. If you want to change things, you can change it. And also the dashboard width, I will go with 1024 pixel. Yeah. And then if you want to share, you can go ahead and share this particular dashboard to the required users. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. So now what we'll do is like we have seen like the first method where we created this dashboard from file and then new notebook dashboard. Now the thing is like when you use this method, all the output that is present on the notebook will be placed on the dashboard. Yeah, just in case if you want to select only the required things, we have the other option. Let's look into that. Now let's go back to our notebook, and now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to just I want this particular visualization on the new dashboard. So what I'll do is like let's click on here, and then you have this option add to dashboard. Let's click on that, and what you can do is like you can create a new dashboard here. Yeah, and the dashboard name, let's name it as HDFC underscore price underscore dashboard 2. Yeah, and then let's click on create. Now, when I do that, I'm able to get the new dashboard here. And if you see here, you can see that visualization here. So you can name this page here. Yeah, let's name it as HDFC underscore price. Yeah, and so this is the canvas here. And when you click on this data, you will be able to see the data as well. Now, if you want to change it, you can change that accordingly. Yep. So now we have created this using the other method. Yeah. Now what we'll do is like now let's click on this dashboard here. Yeah. And then if you can see here, whatever we have created, the name as HDFC price dashboard, you will be able to see it here. Yeah. So just click on that and you will be able to see it. Now so what we'll do is like, let's go back to that workspace. Yeah. Let's go to that workspace here, dashboard underscore demo. So we have this value. So now what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to click on that again, and you have this option called add to notebook dashboard, add to notebook dashboard. Now I'm going to click on add to new notebook dashboard. Yeah. Now when you do this, you can see that it is now created just for this visualization on the dashboard. So let's name this dashboard as HDFC underscore price underscore dashboard 3. Yep. So let's save that. And then when you click on this present dashboard, now you are able to see just the visualization. Now you no longer see that data because that is not required for me in this case. Yeah. So this way you will be able to create the required dashboard for your use. Yep. So in this video, we looked at creating the dashboards. We looked at 3 methods, wherein the first method was like to look at when click on file and then use the new notebook dashboard. Yeah. And then the second method is like we clicked on this visualization, and then we clicked on this add to dashboard, and then we created a dashboard there, and that dashboard gets created in the dashboard section, and you will be able to view that dashboard. And the third method is like directly clicking on the visualization and then creating a new dashboard. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.